Hello guys, how you doing? I hope you're all well. Welcome back to Assassin's Creed Brotherhood, the third game in the series and the second game in the Ezio collection. If you do enjoy these games, please do let me know in the comments below. And also, if you haven't already, please do hit the subscribe button. It would really help me out and I would be very grateful. If you do have any other games you'd like to see outside of the Assassin's Creed series, please do let me know in the comments below as well, and I will do my best to get those games and play them for you. Without further ado, let's get cracking. What? Now why is my headphone cutting out?
Watch the weapon carefully. We must be ready to take it to safety should anything happen.
Hey, you actually did it. Right. No. No. Fuck's sake. Now you're just fucking me off.
Watch the weapon carefully. We must be ready to take it to safety should anything happen.
Wait for him to walk round, turn around. So, there you go, good boy. Right. Oh. I am so nearly there. No! Don't! Not now! Not now!
Victor. Victor.
Sorry about that, guys. I had to take care of something. Anyway, whew, this has been very tense. Getting to the weapon. The plans, rather, not the weapon. Bye. Jump to the side. I said jump to the side. Wow. Come on. How do I get over there then? Because, this crap won't allow it. So, there we go. There we go. Haha. Time to move. Really? Really? You can't even run in a straight line? There you go, that's how you do it. Now for the difficult bit. Now, for all of you wondering about my opinion on Assassin's Creed, the Japanese, I can't think what it's called now, the Japanese, Assassin's Creed that's been announced. I don't see the issue with it. The characters in it Are we supposed to have the double blade there? Because it feels like he used the double blade. But of course we don't have the double blade. This is feeling very much like the trip to Venice. I don't know who's steering, but this is interesting. And a horse. Disorganised. Damn it. Haven't got much health at the moment, that's the thing. So, yeah. Although this is quite fun. Look at them toppling each other like dominoes. Whew, that was way back for a second.
Stay on the road! You hit them just before they hit me. Oh, I can use them. I didn't even know. I think that was overboard, but Ready.
oh, fuck off, you little shit.
Things out there.
There we go.
Il mondo è migliore.
Have you lost all reason?
Right. And there's one of the little... Is that a mission from Leo or is it a bench? Because if it's a bench, I think it's a mission. No, it's a bench. Good hope.
What would you like me to make for you?
Me thinking I would like the double hidden blade again. Or back.
Bene. I will return shortly.
Well, anyway.
I can kill double the guards.
Double Hidden Blade, man. One of my favourite things about the second and third assassins. Can I get a lock on? Kill him. There's a good boy. Which means I get to nick the money he's carrying. Let's have a look. Where's the new mission? No. Where's the next mission? It's probably miles away. And it's... all the way over there. If I can find a tunnel.
Good deal. Not too bright, are you?
Even one where I have to renovate it would be nice. Let's go with the horse. You'd be much quicker. Don't! Oh, for fuck's sake. Why is it every time they fall off the cliff? Oh, can you... what are you doing? Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, at least the recruits I do have get a little bit of training, I guess. Sorry guys, go as quick as I can. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm glad you could join me for this episode of Assassin's Creed Brotherhood. If you've enjoyed the series so far, please do give the video a like. Let me know who your favourite assassin is in the comments below. If you'd like to see more content from me, I'm on TikTok as well as Instagram, as well as all the other videos I upload during the week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week for another episode of Assassin's Creed Brotherhood.